एक और एग्जाम क्यों दिया? Why CAT?
That's what life is, right? You expect something, plan something, you end up somewhere else only. I wanted to lead teams, I wanted to drive change, I just wanted to do something very impactful at a large scale.
But why was that your goal? Was it because of the salaries or some other reason?
But when I got into IIM Ahmedabad, I was like, oh my god, this is it. This is it for me.
हाँ यार, यही करते हैं और कुछ तो लाइफ में होगा नहीं.
If you had asked me what I wanted to grow up and become when I was a kid, I wanted to become CEO.
You've done all your CA, you've done All India Oriental Insurance exam, and एक और एग्जाम क्यों दिया? Why CAT?
No, CAT I had given way back. I gave GMAT when I was in Oriental. I told my MBA dream I could not let go. I'm not meant for tax. I'm not meant for Sarkari also. I tell people very funnily that I'm not a Sarkari person. My dream goal of the CEO was always in the background. So MBA was always on my cards. I never wanted to do CA when I told you, but if you had asked me what I wanted to become, grow up and become when I was a kid, I wanted to become CEO. I didn't know what it meant. I didn't know what it entailed. I didn't know what came with it. I didn't know the stress, tension. I just wanted to become a CEO of a large company. So I knew that MBA I had to do because CEO ke liye you need to do an MBA. You need a management degree. So that was I always had envisioned. CA happened and then corporate happened and then MBA happened. But yeah, all in all, I'm very happy how it panned out. My goal was always there. Just means to reach that varied and it was not a singular path. It kept on like circulating and just deviating. But I think that's what life is, right? You expect something, plan something, you end up somewhere else only eventually.
But why was that your goal? Was it because of the salaries or some other reason? Because usually, I'll tell you, back in the 90s, IIM Ahmedabad की एक न्यूज़पेपर हेडलाइन थी कि किसी ने क्रॉस किया था a 1 lakh per year salary. Now I'm talking about mid
It was
90s. 1 lakh per year was like a big ceiling that was broken by a fresh MBA graduate. And I was like, हाँ यार
correct.
यही करते हैं और कुछ तो लाइफ में होगा नहीं, ये MBA ही करते हैं.
If I wanted money, I wouldn't be working in a PSU. मैं EY में 6 साल काम करती मैं डायरेक्टर तक तो बनी जाती AD, level senior consultant. AD is like the
Yeah.
6 7 years you become AD. Nothing was satisfying my soul. Nothing. I was just not happy, and I really thought, let me achieve my MBA goal. Maybe that will give me the happiness. I don't know. It was just the firstly I had missed college life, right? CA people do not live college life. We have not. We're not stepped.
Now this is getting complicated. You've done all these exams, you've done CA, you've done insurance exam, you've been promoted, and you're married. Now you're writing GMAT. अभी भी नहीं समझ आया.
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah.
I know you're saying it's about my soul, but मुझे I need a bit more. क्या
You
मतलब
want
what is that reason? See, this is coming from the
why
person. मैं
MBA?
2 बार MBA कर चुका हूँ, लेकिन मेरे को अभी भी नहीं समझ आ रहा है.
So if you can't answer it, what are you expecting? But I'll tell you, I could not just let go of my childhood dream. That's it. I was like, let me do that. Maybe I'll be able to make some impact. I wanted to lead teams. I wanted to drive change. I just wanted to do something very impactful at a large scale. So I'm like, by the time I'm 40, 45, वो हो जाएगा. But MBA मुझे 30 से पहले करना पड़ेगा if I want to really grow. So that was my goal of being into corporate. Recently I wrote a LinkedIn post on how my childhood dream has changed, in the last 2 years. I don't know if you guys read that, but I'll come to that. So again, my life priorities have again changed, at this point. So us time though I could not let go of my childhood dream. I just wanted to stick to it. That year I got into all the colleges I had applied for. I got into Ahmedabad, ISB, Bangalore, Calcutta, SPJ. I got into all the 1 year MBA colleges. But when I got into IIM Ahmedabad, I was like, oh my god, this is it. This is it for
And
me,
was it also
So
because Ahmedabad is close to Mumbai, so you're closer to home because it's the closest top IIM, right?
no, it's just I am Ahmedabad. That's it. That the brand and the credibility is what I wanted
Hmm.
and I was craving for. I was like, my 8-year-old Bhavna is happy now. The 8, 10, 12-year-old Bhavna is happy. Let's see now how life takes us now a little later.